Hi, good morning. I'm Elan Gowan from uniquelopages.com Malaysia. We are here with the Kuwait Danish driver company KSSC KDD. Gentleman here, let's tell about him and the products in a MIHAS world's largest halal exhibitions 2022.
Hi, I'm Taha Ali. I'm the business analyst and business development in KDD. We are very glad to be here in Malaysia to promote our products from our dairy range to juices, culinary products, ice creams. We're trying to reach to importers here in the Malaysian market to bring our products made by KDD, the pioneer in the Middle East in our genre, and we hope the best of luck with everyone.
Okay, good. So, you plan to export product or set up manufacturing plant here?
Yes, we are a pioneer, as I said, in the Middle East in manufacturing products. In Kuwait, we are based in Kuwait, with manufacturing Kuwait, and we would
Kuwait,
like to export into Malaysia.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so now you're looking for a Malaysian distributor?
Yes, well, we've
All
seen,
over the world?
we are in the Middle East, in the six Gulf GCC countries, Iraq, Jordan, Palestine. We are also in Canada, the United States.
Oh, only in the Western countries?
Yes,
That's
and
very
we
nice.
are studying the prospect of expanding east, and we've seen interest here in the Malaysian market. We've seen special interest in specific products. For example, we have this product, evaporate milk, which many Malaysians drink with tea here and coffee, and usually it comes in tin. So what we've done is go with the innovative Tetra Pak. It's this kind of pack where you can open and close and use, and so it's more convenient in that way. And specific products like this, we've seen some interest here. So that's why we're reaching out and contacting with the importers and seeing what available opportunities may exist.
Your full name again?
Taha Ali.
Mr. Tahali. Hi, uniquelopages.com communities. Let's visit their website, listed in the descriptions here and in other social medias, in other fields. It's about uniqueness of the pioneer and pure, wholesome goodness product KDD. Search in Google or click from our website. Contact them directly. You can be agents in Malaysia, or you can refer this in other continents like Southeast Asia countries and African countries as well as Western countries. They're already in Canada, for example, just now. So thank you very much, sir. Can you say some few good words about MIHAS?
MIHAS provided us with a very unique opportunity to meet with other businesses, to see what the competitors are, to understand better about the halal certification and the halal business and the industry, because we also produce products that are halal, but we still have not received the halal certification. So these legal things has been a very unique opportunity to also meet great people with whom we very much enjoyed meeting.
All right, good. It looks like he feels very happy being here big time.
Oh, I love Malaysia. And,
he loves Malaysia?
Yes.
All right, thank you very much.
Yes.
And Elan Gowan from uniquelopages.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I have your card?